Hi everyone! So I just wanted to do a tutorial today about how I make my bag slash journal um, charms. First things first, I ordered this stretchy string off Amazon, and it's a 1 millimeter stretchy string. And then I use a lobster claw clasp, I believe is what it's called. So to start out, all I do is I take my string and I kind of just, I don't really measure like how long it is. I just kind of grab whatever I feel like, and then I cut it. And then after that, I just take the string again, I undo it, and I line it up so it's kind of measuring it out properly. So I line it up and then I cut it at the end. And then you just kind of want to make sure it's even here at the bottoms before you tie it into your lobster claw. So I just grab it like this, and then I take the lobster claw and I will feed it through here. I hope you guys can see that okay. So, okay. I feed it through here, and then you have it looking like this, where you have sorry guys, this is my first time recording with my face and it's a little difficult. I'm used to filming from up above, but it just wouldn't work for this tutorial, so I had to do it this way. And then you just pull it through the hole like that and you have your strings. So I have a lot of beads right now. So I have these purple ones, I have pink ones, and I have blue ones. And I got these all off of Amazon. They're pretty nice. I like them. So I think, oh, and then I have just a bunch of random beads in here. So I think what I'm going to start off by doing is, I think I want to do purple, because I already have a lot of pink and a lot of blue. So we'll do purple. And I don't like to use all the big beads. Like if you look, I do have some big beads on here, but then the rest are like small, because otherwise you just waste all your big beads and then you have nothing cute to put on it. So I think we're going to do purple today. And I don't really plan out what I'm going to do. I just randomly pick. So, okay, so I just paused real quick because I wanted to pick out my beads so it doesn't take so long to do that part. So I picked a few beads and I'm just going to take my first string, and what I do is I tie it at the top. That way it kind of prevents it from moving up to the top of your the lobster claw. I kind of like it looking like a little more, I don't really know how to describe it, but like not so far up. Okay, so I think my first bead I want to choose is this pretty flower, and I'll put that, well actually before I do that I like to kind of put like these pony beads, or like a cute pearl or something on it. That way kind of it'll look like this, so it's kind of, it's not just one big bead at the top or whatever. So I'm going to do that first. But with the pony beads, I have to make sure I have something like the pearl on there first. That way the pony beads go right through the knots. So you don't want to put those on first because they'll go right through it. So I'm just adding on 2 pony beads, 1 pearl, and then I'm going to add my flower like so. And then I'm going to do 2 more pony beads. I think that's what they're called. That's what the package said, so that's what I'm calling them. And then 1 more pearl. I just want to make sure I get the right size. I'm sorry, I'm doing a terrible job keeping this in frame. I'm just not used to it. Okay, and then once I have a few more like this, I just go ahead and tie it off at the end, because I don't like all my beads to go together, so I like to tie it after each section that I do. So I'm going to do. Okay, now that I have it tied off, I'm going to start my next section, which I think I'm going to use some of these little purple beads, and I'll put those on first. And then I like this little heart, so I'm going to use this heart. And it doesn't matter how many beads you put on per area, or per what am I trying to say? Per, like, little section. Yeah, it's section. And then I'm just going to add this other bead. And I think I want to add, actually, I think I'm going to redo that. I'm going to add these cute little bows. Another thing that I have to add on second, because otherwise the bows just go straight through the knots. So they don't. Okay, I did that wrong. Okay, I just went ahead and paused it and redid it because what I wanted to do was put the bows first. That way I can have a pattern. So I do the bow and then the little bead and then the big heart and then the bow and the bead again. And then I can do one more section here and then I'll tie it off and that'll be the end. So I think I'm going to do this cute smiley face here because I really like the smiley faces. It just makes it feel like so happy and fun. So I think what I'm going to do is, now I like to do patterns. For me, that's just how I like to do it, like in certain patterns. I don't really like just to do random, but everybody has their own way. Like my daughters will do random patterns and whatever they want to do. So, and it still comes out cute, but I don't know, for me, I like to do in patterns. So that's going to be the last section. I'm just going to tie it off. Okay, and that's one strand done. And then you would just repeat that, of course, for the last three. And then you end up with a bunch of cute stuff like these ones. You can even add in a chain with some charms on it. That's what I did with this one, which I think came out really cute. I really love it. If you see, I do a lot of pinks and purples. It's just what I like. So this is, yeah, a few things that you can make. And you just use whatever beads you like, whatever beads you have, and just do your own pattern or whatever. And it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy making these, and I hope you guys do too. And thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. All right, bye.